So I'll be showing you how to adjust the beep sound volume on your GoPro Hero 12. So swipe down from the top of the screen and then swipe to go to the right hand side and tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, go to General, tap on that, and you should see beep volume. So tap on that, and then you have three options. You have medium volume, then you have high and low. So that's the low volume, as you've heard. Then you have medium and high. So that's so choose the beep volume you want. Make sure it's blue and next to this arrow, and then you can tap on empty space and go back. Okay, so that's for people who don't want to turn off the beep sound completely. You can adjust the volume like that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.